Alright guys, today we're featuring a 2016 Toyota Highlander. It's got 13,000 miles on it. It's pearl white in color. Alright, it's got a clean Carfax. It's got a Carfax one owner. Go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. Also want to mention it does still have factory warranty left as well. Go ahead and make our way down the driver's side here. Everything's in great shape. Across the rear of the vehicle, it is an XLE rear backup camera. All right, these new body style Highlanders are really sharp looking cars. Nice big SUV. Okay, passenger side looks good. No issues at all. Hood's in good shape. Front bumper's in good shape. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. It's got the black on black door panel. Nice silver accent here. The brown. Really sharp. Power windows, power locks. Alright, black leather seating. Kind of got the brown stitching. Really nice leather seats. Alright, power driver seat. It is equipped with the sunroof as well. Okay. Plenty of storage in the console here. Passenger seat's in great shape. No issues at all with the leather. Okay, now these do come up. So flip back over. Go ahead and show you it is equipped with 2 key fobs. Alright. Heated seats. It is an automatic. Got your dual climate controls there. Nice big touch screen there with the backup camera and navigation. I'll show you that in a second. Push button start. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. And it does have the power liftgate as well. Okay, I'll go ahead and get in here. I'll go ahead and turn it on. Shut that sunroof, knock that glare off. Let's see. Alright, there's your home screen there. Give you a look at all your apps. Okay, it does have navigation. Alright, go ahead and engage backup camera. Alright, let me give you a shot of the mileage here. It's got 13,831 miles on it. Alright, air conditioner is on. We just turned it on, but it's already blowing cold. No problem there. Go ahead and slide out here. We'll check out the back seat. Okay, door panel looks good. Alright, one of these features I love right here. It's got the screen on the window. Perfect if you got little ones back there. Alright, leather back here looks good. Console that comes down in the middle. Your cup holders. Okay, and it is a 3rd row seat. Go ahead and check out the 3rd row. And I'll open the door on that other side. Kind of get some light in there so you can see that a little bit better. Alright, and I believe these right here are your kind of iPad or Kindle holders right here. They'll hold the Kindles right here on the chair for the kids in the back. Kind of give you the driver's eye view here and the layout. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the storage area back here. Does have the power liftgate. Everything nice and smooth with that. Carpet back here looks good. Okay. Alright, let me get you another shot of these 3rd row seats real quick. Alright, open up this door right here, let some light back here just so you can see how good the leather is on these 2nd row seats. And then you just pull this up here, seats slide forward, and there's your 3rd row right there. Okay, leather looks good back there, no issues. Now, Third row seats right here can go down. Just pull up on this tab here. Seats go down. Now you can see it really opens that up back here for storage. All right. And to engage your lift gate, make it go down. All right, nice and smooth there. Go ahead and check out the passenger seat in the front one more time. And now that's just a piece of sticker paper. Passenger seat looks good. Check out the wheels and tires. All right, 18-inch alloys. Goodyear tires on here. Plenty of tread left on them. All right. Once again, guys, this is a 2016 Toyota Highlander. 13,000 miles on it. Still under factory warranty. It's got a clean Carfax. All right, one owner. Come down, check it out. It's a beautiful SUV, new body style Highlander. Come on down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.